What is an excess and surplus lines company? Let's talk about it. Hey, what's up? It's Ryan with Smith & Sons Insurance Agency, where we are transforming the way individuals, families, and small businesses secure financial stability. One thing that a lot of small businesses run into, and some personal lines, home and auto situations as well, but we see this more on the business insurance side, is that no standard market will offer them a policy. This happens a lot with brand new companies, a new venture. They're just starting out. They have no experience or resume, or there's no claims history that you could provide the insurance company. So they're taking a chance on the riskiness or the exposures that you're willing to take on to get that business off the ground. So a lot of times, since the standard markets or carriers or insurance companies won't offer a quote for that, we go to an E&S, excess and surplus lines insurance company. That's a market that they don't write the standard things. They write kind of the excess. It's the exposures are in excess of a standard company, if you will. So that type of, there's lots of those companies available, and they're good. They do pay out claims. There are some cons, as it were, to having to go that route. One is that for the most part, they require you to pay in full. There's no payment plan options. So we go through a third party premium finance company to make that payment plan available. But another disadvantage of that, I would say, is that they have to pay a tax to do business in Oklahoma. They're in most cases non-admitted in Oklahoma, which means that they have to pay a tax, 6%. They're not going to pay that tax. They want you to pay the tax. So it's 6% of not just the premium, but a lot of times they'll put in a policy fee or an inspection fee or some kind of fee in there with the premium that a lot of times gets taxed at that 6% as well. So if you're having to go with an E&S market, going with this non-standard carrier, then the likelihood that you're going to have to pay the tax, pay a fee, and even pay a finance charge so that you can pay on a monthly basis. Of course, you can pay in full if you want to, but so those are just a couple things about excess and surplus lines companies. They're not your standard run-of-the-mill insurance companies that you've maybe heard of before, but they're reputable. They are rated just the same, or they go through the same rating process, and they can cover your insurance when you need insurance. So if you have more questions about that, let us know. Give us a call, 580-353-0668. Stop by the office, shoot us an email, visit our website, send us a message on Facebook, or give us a comment wherever you're watching this video. Thanks for watching.